Impressive tools, specialized and designed to perform various tasks in manufacturing, construction, maintenance, and other industrial settings, and are typically robust, durable, and engineered to handle heavy-duty applications. These are the 10 coolest and impressive tools in the world. 10. Gutster Demo Bar. Are you ready to take your demolition game to the next level? Take a look at the amazing Gutster Demo Bar. This is an effective and adaptable demolition tool made to make your projects quick and simple. This work of engineering has a beveled edge that resembles a chisel and easily slides under surfaces, enabling you to lift and pry with unequaled accuracy. It's like the Swiss Army knife of demolition equipment, perfect for breaking down walls, removing nails, and so much more. Your safety is its top priority, and the non-slip grip makes sure you have a firm hold. Get hold of this revolutionary tool right away to see the true possibilities at your grasp. This top-of-the-line tool costs $125. 9. Nemo Reciprocating Saw. Americans, it's your time to step up. They have revolutionized the industry by producing the world's first and only cordless power tools designed specifically for underwater use. This saw proves to be an excellent choice for depths of up to 50 meters. While it does require intermittent breaks in your work, you can still enjoy a continuous cutting time of 5 minutes. Weighing just 2.9 kilograms, this reciprocating saw offers a remarkable speed of up to 3,000 strokes per minute. Its keyless blade clamp ensures effortless blade changes underwater. The package includes a durable case, a pump, 2 blades, 2 batteries, and a charger, compatible with Type A American or Type G English plugs, as well as Type 1 Australian plugs. The price for this remarkable tool set is $2,251. 8. Man-Saver. Continuing our lineup, we present the Pneumatic Post Driver, an invaluable tool for various applications, such as marking boundaries in pasture lands and farms. With numerous models to choose from, let's focus on one that stands out. This particular model offers an impressive rate of up to 75 strokes per minute, weighing a mere 15 kilograms. It boasts a maximum pressure capacity of 5.5 bar, making it a powerful companion for your tasks. Interestingly, users have expressed their admiration for the technological advancements of this tool. However, it's equally intriguing how people strive to minimize physically demanding labor. Many argue that opting for manual labor, accomplished swiftly at the gym, is both efficient and time-saving. Considering the cost, at $795, it's worth contemplating how many workout sessions one could purchase with the amount saved. 7. Unitec. This remarkable connector is a true blessing for both private builders and public utilities alike. Its purpose is to effortlessly join 2 pipes of nearly any thickness, regardless of the material, be it plastic or concrete. With a nominal diameter ranging from 12 to 94.5 inches, it accommodates a wide range of pipe sizes. What sets this connector apart is its exceptional design, ensuring a secure connection even in the face of shifting ground. With a maximum angle tolerance of 11 degrees, it maintains its integrity and functionality, even in challenging terrain. Rest assured, this connector can handle sewage without any issues, providing a reliable and worry-free connection. 6. Makita Rechargeable Wall Scanner. This cutting-edge scanner is your ultimate solution for swiftly uncovering the hidden contents within your walls. Equipped with advanced technology, it can detect a wide range of materials, including metals like copper, steel, aluminum, wood, plastic, and shielded cables. Everything it sees is promptly displayed on a vibrant 4-inch color screen, providing crucial information. To cater to different scenarios, this scanner offers multiple operating modes, such as concrete, wood, drywall, and cinder blocks. It can detect objects at impressive depths of up to 18 centimeters with a remarkable accuracy of up to 4.7 millimeters. For your convenience, the scanner features a built-in guide laser and lighting, ensuring precise and effortless scanning. With a single charge, it can provide approximately 28 hours of uninterrupted operation. Furthermore, its compact design, weighing just 1.4 kilograms, allows for comfortable one-handed use. This Japanese innovation can be yours for the price of $1,322. 5. DECKPRO. For many years now, woodworking projects have been incredibly popular in Europe. This tool proves to be incredibly useful, especially for beginners. It is specifically designed for boards ranging from 85 to 150 millimeters in width, allowing for seamless hidden fastening. With this tool, even novices can achieve professional-looking results. The top handle of the extra hand is engineered to withstand pressures of up to 100 kilograms, ensuring durability and stability during use. Moreover, it allows for precise board spacing, adjustable from 3 to 7.5 millimeters, guaranteeing a polished and uniform finish. With a modest price of $61, this woodworking tool is a worthwhile investment for any enthusiast or professional. 4. ITOOLCO GRDXL. Introducing a groundbreaking accessory designed to enhance safety and efficiency when working with machines, equipment, and tools that lack a proper ground connection, thereby preventing potential electric shocks. This innovative solution provides a practical alternative to using a sledgehammer for driving grounding rods into the ground, eliminating the need for manual labor. With 2 available models, each offering a choice between 3/4 and 1 inch above ground level, this accessory is tailored to accommodate various requirements. Its remarkable functionality proves especially valuable when dealing with sizable rods or working on inclined surfaces. Moreover, given the typical depth of approximately 10 feet below the frost line required for rod installation, this accessory offers significant convenience and time-saving benefits. 3. Wolfcraft Adjustable Electric Hole Saw. Discover the ultimate solution you've been searching for. The adjustable electric hole saw, designed to meet all your needs with speed, simplicity, and cleanliness. While the seller's claims may seem convincing, let's delve into the specifications to fully understand its capabilities. Priced at a mere $49, this remarkable tool guarantees effortless adjustments at various diameters: 35, 65, 68, 74, 76, and 83 millimeters. With its precision-engineered design, it effortlessly produces clean cuts in oriented strand board, drywall, and softwood. Weighing only 180 grams, this lightweight device ensures optimal maneuverability. This versatile hole saw enables you to effortlessly install light fixtures, sockets, and switches, making it an indispensable tool for both professional and DIY enthusiasts. Satisfied buyers have praised the hole saw for its compact size, as it doesn't occupy much space in your toolbox. 2. QUADSAW. Have you noticed your neighbor's ongoing home remodeling project? It's quite possible that their enthusiasm for the QUADSAW is the driving force behind it. This innovative tool is a game changer when it comes to cutting rectangular or square holes effortlessly. By simply attaching it to a drill, your neighbor can create precise openings for outlets, switches, and more. It can complete the job 4 times faster than traditional methods, while ensuring flawless results on the first attempt. The blade boasts adjustable depth, allowing for optimal customization, and it can withstand approximately 280 cuts and drywall up to 3.4 centimeters thick. One notable advantage of using the QUADSAW is the reduced debris during the cutting process. The standard kit, priced at $200, encompasses the essential components for immediate use. It's worth noting that the manufacturing of this remarkable tool takes place in the UK, contributing to its reputation for high quality and 1. Brush Grubber. Introducing a versatile and innovative product for nature professionals, the grabber. It offers an effortless solution for removing unwanted shrubs and trees from the ground. Priced at just $75, this groundbreaking tool securely attaches to tractors, ATVs, and similar equipment, providing a reliable grip with its 16 teeth. Its patent-pending design ensures complete eradication, including roots, without the use of chemicals. With Grabber, professionals can streamline their work, saving time and effort while achieving exceptional results. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section below what machine you would love to see next. Make sure you subscribe, like, turn on the bell icon, and click on the screen to check out the next video.